Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be of me unpacking and organizing my kitchen. Finally, we moved into this house a month ago and I'm just now putting stuff in my kitchen cabinets and drawers. But before I started putting stuff in there, I wanted to put down some of this easy liner on some of the shelves and the drawers. I ordered these off of Amazon, so I'll be sure and put a link for them down below. If you're looking to buy a liner for your kitchen cabinets, I would recommend these. They're really good quality. They have great reviews. So it's nice to put a shelf liner on the cabinets in your kitchen to help protect them from moisture, and just overall helps to keep them in good shape. If you've got nice cabinets and drawers and you want to keep them that way, I would definitely recommend putting down a shelf liner. If you're new here, I will quickly explain why I haven't put anything in my kitchen cabinets or drawers in the whole month since we moved in here. The reason being is because we were working on painting these kitchen cabinets. We weren't working on them right when we moved in, but I knew that I was going to be painting them soon, so I didn't bother putting anything in the cabinets or drawers. I just put everything that I needed inside of the pantry that we have, which you'll see here in a little bit, and then I left a lot of other stuff boxed up. So once I had all those shelf liners where I wanted them, I'm still going to put on some more later, but I put down a couple, and then I went into our sunroom here, which we're using as a storage room, and I got out all of the rest of the boxes for my kitchen that I had left packed up. Some of these have been packed up since before we moved into the rental, so I hadn't seen a lot of this kitchen stuff in a while, and then I took them into the kitchen and just started unpacking them. I would stack stuff on counters and just kind of go through it. This is the pantry where I stored all of the essential kitchen items that I hadn't left packed up. This is what I've been using to store everything for the last month. It worked out really great. I'm so glad that I had this pantry to keep everything in. That way I didn't have to have anything in the kitchen cabinets or drawers while I was painting them. And I do have all of the kitchen cabinets officially painted now. As you guys can see, you got a little sneak peek there. We are still working at painting the doors, but we are almost done with those, and then we will get to hang up all of the cabinets and put on the hardware. So stay tuned, be sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss the two videos that I have coming out next week. One will be how I painted all of the kitchen cabinets, and also the big reveal showing you guys the before and the after. And then the second video will be of that bathroom makeover that's there by the laundry room. I'm going to show you the whole process of that. I am really excited to finish decorating in there and painting. So just stay tuned for those two videos because you don't want to miss them. And that spice rack that I showed you there is also from Amazon, so I will have it linked down below. I'll just try to link as many things as I can down there for you guys. These white plastic containers that I have up here on the counter that I'm going to be using to organize these drawers, I got those from the Dollar Tree. They are really great little organization containers. If you're on a budget, you don't want to spend too much on organization containers. They are made cheap, obviously, because they're from the Dollar Tree. They're only $1 each, so I did have a few that cracked on the side, and I would still buy more even though a few did crack, just because they are great little containers with a grip on the bottom for only $1. You can't beat that. When you're unpacking everything into your kitchen, it can be overwhelming to figure out where you want everything to go, where the most practical place for everything is going to be. So what I tried to do so that I wouldn't get too overwhelmed is I just quickly thought where is going to be the most practical place. Obviously I want the pans by the stove. Just put things where I think that they would work if they were there, and then as I live in the kitchen and I use things out of the drawers and cabinets, maybe I will want to switch things around a little bit eventually. Just kind of have to get everything in the cabinets and drawers where you think they should go, and then just use the kitchen for a few weeks, a few months, and just see what works best for you. I put the silverware and the plates and the bowls and the cups, all of that kind of stuff right beside the dishwasher, obviously, so that it's easy when you're unloading the dishwasher to just put everything away. And also, I have got so much wrapping paper, bubble wrap, boxes. Now that I've been unpacking stuff, I'm accumulating quite the pile of all of this stuff. So I'm going to have to find somebody who's moving and see if they can use all of this. And just a little tip, if you're getting ready to pack up your kitchen and move and you have extra sheets and blankets and all that kind of stuff, you can use those to wrap up your breakables in your kitchen, to pack them into boxes instead of having to get a ton of bubble wrap. It works great. Obviously you do need bubble wrap for some things, and also I found that those boxes that have the dividers for glasses in them, you can get them at Home Depot or Lowe's. Those work really awesome for your kitchen glasses, or you can just wrap them up in blankets and boxes, whatever works easier for you. But try using some blankets and sheets, that way you don't have to buy so much bubble wrap. I do plan on putting my microwave on a shelf in the pantry just to help free up some counter space. We have a spot in the pantry that we could put a receptacle, so once we get one put in there, then I can move the microwave over to the pantry. I also want to say, for those who are new here, we bought this house about 3 months ago. We've been renovating it. We filmed the whole process, so if you want to go back and watch all of those videos, definitely do, and consider subscribing so that you can continue to watch us renovate this house. Like I said, next week we will be doing the kitchen reveal of painting all the cabinets, and then also that bathroom makeover video, so just stay tuned. Okay, so now my kitchen is officially unpacked and organized. There is no more boxes that are labeled kitchen in the storage room. They are all unpacked, which is such a good feeling. Now we just have to finish painting these cabinet doors and drawer fronts, get those all put on there with the hardware. It's actually starting to feel like a kitchen in here, which is such a good feeling. I will be doing a separate pantry organization video. I'm not sure when I'll be filming that or getting that out for you guys, but I want to get some new pantry organization containers and just make it look really awesome and organized in there. I'm excited to do that one of these days. And for the first time, I actually have empty cabinets and drawers, even though I've unpacked everything. Okay, so we're gonna end this video with setting up our new dining table and chairs on the back porch so that we can take advantage of the beautiful evenings that we've been having and eat supper out here. The table and chairs were sent over by Best Choice Products, and they also sent along this memory foam dog bed for our puppy Sheena. She absolutely loves this bed. She loves to take naps on the back porch, so I thought she needs a dog bed out here, and Best Choice Products sent along this one for her, so it was perfect. This bed is Sheena approved. She loves it. It's memory foam, super comfy. You can take off the cover on it to wash it. And this outdoor dining table is the cutest little dining table to put on your back patio or your porch. It's made out of weatherproof wood, and it's got thick metal legs, so it's a very sturdy little table. It can seat up to 6 people. I got this 4-pack of black metal chairs from Best Choice Products as well. We're so excited to start eating meals out here, and a big thank you to Best Choice Products. They've been sending over a lot of stuff for our home, so we really appreciate that. I will have their website linked down below. They've got so many amazing products over there. Definitely go and check them out, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it and all of your support. Please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!